If you're looking for an extra layer of security on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the new chat lock feature on WhatsApp to keep your private conversations safe and how you can view locked chats when you need them. Before we start, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. Once you've updated WhatsApp, let's first lock a chat so you can see how it works. Open WhatsApp and find the chat you want to lock. For this example, let's choose this one. Simply tap on the more. Here you can find the option to lock chat. Now, as you can see, the chat that I have chosen has already been locked chat. Now, WhatsApp will ask you to choose a method for locking this chat, either fingerprint, Face ID, or a PIN code, depending on your device and preferences. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Now that you know how to lock a chat, let's look at how to view locked chats. To view a locked chat, go to your WhatsApp list. Now, when you scroll past your locked chats, you'll see locked chats. Tap on it. And as you can see, here are all the locked chats that I have locked before. And that's it. You now know how to lock and view locked chats on WhatsApp to keep your conversation safe and secure.